What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're gonna go over how much it costs to get to phase one, where the Q50 is standing. I had quite a few people asking me how much this or that costs, and I'm not a huge fan of doing these type of videos. This is actually my first time, but a lot of people have been asking, so I figured I'd go ahead and jump into it and let you guys know how much everything costs. Do apologize for sound. We do have homes being built right behind the camera, so there's a lot of noise there. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'll go ahead and do a walk around of the car to kind of set up exactly where it's at. I'm gonna shoot that clip after this one, but you probably will see it just before this, so you probably already seen what the car looks like. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Actually, I decided to just change it. I'm not gonna shoot from that angle, but we'll go ahead and jump into it from the front of the car. So the front lip that I have is eBay special. So for the eBay parts, I'm not really gonna put links to those because they change so often. But you basically just search common search terms and these things will come up. But the eBay front lip was only $53.99. So of course I'm sure that's not real carbon fiber, but since I'm getting a new front bumper eventually, I figure there's no point in really spending a whole bunch on that. Next we have the mirror covers. Same with this. I'm looking to get sponsored for some carbon fiber sponsorship. Not sure who that's gonna be, but for now, another eBay special. This one is $39.99, bringing us to $93.98. And then from here, let's go keep it going with this carbon fiber mess. Next is the rear diffuser, another eBay special. This is the one with the brake light as well. That one is $104.99. All these are the prices before taxes, so I'm not factoring taxes in, but that'll bring us to $198.97. Next is going to be the actual spoiler. This is the M style spoiler, carbon fiber as well. Another eBay special. Figure we knock all these out while we're at the beginning. This one was only $59.50, so that brings us to $258.47. And then we start getting into some of the more fun stuff. I'm going to go ahead and jump into my Nvidia exhaust. That, hold on. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's an Nvidia exhaust. Now this one, I tried to throw in, I forgot it wasn't a cold start, but threw in a sound clip just of the start itself. That was actually $1,180 plus $150 install, which will bring us to $1,588.47 for the total so far. All right, I also have some AMS test pipes, which I'm not really going to show, but those were $425, and it was $150 install for that as well. So that was $2,163.47 for where we at after that. Next we'll go with the gloss black roof. Now the gloss black roof, got that done. It was $350 with the install included. So that'll take us to $2,513.47. And now we're gonna kind of get into kind of some older things. So next will be my wheels. Now these are Vertini RFS 1.5s, but I got these a few years ago, so this may not reflect current prices for today. But the wheels was $1,920. However, I did have some issues with these when they came. Let's see, few issues around the center, as you can see. And so with those, it ended up, they ended up giving me a pretty decent discount. That plus sponsored from a shop that did it, Speed Zone. So I had $400 off of the actual wheels themselves. So that will bring us to, it'll be $1,520. So with the discount and everything, that'll take us up to $4,033.47. Now I know the prices have changed a bit. I'm not exactly sure where the price is for these now, but like I said, I got those a few years ago. And then for the tires themselves, the tires and mountain balance, that was additional $450, and that will bring us to $4,483.47. I'm pretty sure that 47 cents is gonna stick with us for a minute. But yeah, that's kind of where we at so far. I did get some side skirts, but since I don't have them installed, I'm not gonna include that in the run-in balance or anything. But let's go with the air management and just basically bag setup. So for the air management, I actually got that a few years ago as well, because if you've been following the channel, I had this in my Ultima, same tank, same management. The management itself, which was the tank, the compressor, management, it was $1,695, but I did use a discount code because I got it from Bag Riders. I used the code for Eliminate that they had at the time for 10% off. So that came out to be $1,525, which will bring us to the total of $6,008.47. So yeah, it definitely kind of brought us up quite a bit. But that's not the final thing. The final thing will be the actual air struts. Now the air struts, I got those from Low Life Projects, and for the air struts it was $1,340, and the install was $750. So that brings us to $2,090, which will bring the grand total for phase one to $8,098.47. And it's definitely a lot, and it really surprised me breaking it down like this, because it didn't feel like it was that much. Because I mean, I did do piece by piece, even though I did it kind of all of a sudden. But almost 4,000 of it, a little over 3 something, all that was from the previous car when I had the Ultima. But yeah, that's still a lot. I haven't even had the car for 3 months yet. I think it's gonna be another week. Love bug season already starting. So yeah, it's gonna be a week or so, and then it'll be officially 3 months I've had the car. So I definitely came out the gate slinging with this one. It's mostly because I went a whole year without modding the last car, so kind of really wanted to jump out the gate. Had a lot of with modding. I've been wanting to do so, and we're not done. I do have some other pieces already that do need to be installed. I didn't include those because I already said phase 1 was kind of done, but the next few things is going to be small cosmetic things, lighting, things of that nature. And if you watch the previous video, I'll be getting some custom headlights done, so that'll be coming soon as well. But definitely still have a lot of mods coming for the car, but in terms of the big things, it's probably gonna be on hold. I'm going to be getting tuned here pretty soon. Well, maybe not too soon, but I'm gonna be getting tuned. Trying to narrow down the tuner. I had some pretty good recommendations, and so I will be narrowing that down. But yeah, and I'm also getting that Blitz front bumper. I'm gonna kind of wait until they have the mold that doesn't have a front license plate bracket, because this is Florida and we don't need that. So I'm not going to worry about that. And then of course I'm getting the carbon fiber fenders as well, carbon fiber trunk. I think I'm gonna do the hood as well. I just still haven't found one that is screaming this is the one. But yeah, I'm going to be most likely changing the car color once all of those body pieces are on, rather than trying to paint match, because I will have to get a paint correction. And yeah, I don't know if I want to go that route. I could just wrap it some wild color. But definitely let me know what you guys think, if I should stay with the white or if I should go with the wild color, and if so, what color would you think I should go with? But yeah, like I said, I had quite a few people asking about this. Now, as far as people, I know there's still gonna be people asking for links and all of that. But like I said, the carbon pieces were from eBay. Wheels, I mean, you can get those from a bunch of places, but I got mine through Speed Zone. Bags, Low Life Projects, the management, I got that from Bag Riders online. Let's see what else. The wrap went through Speed Zone to get the roof wrap done. I think that's about it. So yeah, it's none of this stuff is hard to find. Nothing wild or special about getting it or where I got it from. So you could definitely do it. I mean, I'm sure you can even find it with a quick Google search, or if you got your own local shops. Like, it's so many ways you can find it. So don't be too pressed about finding a link. But yeah, that's enough of the rambling about the links. But we'll go ahead and do the comment of the day. Before we do that, I did want to let you guys know that I would like to plan a series going over some of the homies builds, and that's Infiniti homies as well as other homies who have just about any other car. If you guys are interested in that, let me know down below. And if you are local or would like to drive here to get your car done, let me know. We can definitely set something up, and we'll be able to get you featured and give you a shout out and all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and end this video. Before we do, the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.